welcome. To those people who don't know me, some of you know me, I'm Teacher Kat. And yes, that's me on the screen right now. Legends only. Okay, so if you're here, it means you're a legend. And welcome. Welcome to my lesson. So before we start, we're going to have a bit of house rules, okay? The first one is you're going to stay on mute unless either I or Teacher Lee ask you unmute.
Guys, you have to stay on mute.
So we're going to stay on mute.
And then unmute yourselves.
There we go. Unless I ask you a question, you're going to stay on mute, okay? And then you're going to raise your hand before you answer. So if you answer me and you didn't raise your hand, I'm not gonna listen to your answer, okay? When I listen to the people whose hands are raised, then I'm going to tell you, okay, this person you may answer. And then the last rule is have fun, okay? We're having fun with fractions, right? So we're going to be playing a few games, okay? These games are all going to have some points and scores, and whoever wins is going to have one of these made for them. Okay, so you have your own little legend placards made for you that we'll share with everyone. All right? Okay, let's start. Okay, so in these games, I expect every one of us to participate. Né? As you saw, I said it's going to be a non-judgment zone. We're going to be earning points, and whoever has the most points wins the prize. Okay, so this is our first game that we're playing. And it's all about fractions. So I'm first going to show you how it works, and then we're going to start. Okay, so I'm doing level 1, and then we're going to start from there. Obviously, it's going to start off easily, and then from then on, it's going to get a bit harder and harder and harder. So as everyone sees, there are 3 fractions on the side, right? Keep everyone, I'm going to repeat again, stay on mute. If I keep having to mute you, we're going to kick you out, okay? Okay, so there are 3 fractions on our right, and we're going to have 3 little circles on the screen. So you have to match the picture with what is on the right. So for instance, 1 over 1 is the same as? What is it the same as? Yes, who has their hand up? Tapelo. What is 1 over 1 the same as?
1 whole.
1 whole. So you put 1 whole there.
Oh.
And that's correct. Now, and then 1 over 2 is a half. So you just use your half. That's correct. And then you have a third. And you're done. Okay? So if you get all 3 right, you get all 3 right, and then you'll get a point. For level 1, it's 1 point. Level 2 is 2 points because it gets harder and harder. Okay. I hope everyone heard it. And I hope everyone's ready. So everyone, lower your hands. Lower your hands, everyone. Lower your hands. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, so going to the next round. Whoever raises their hand first gets to answer. Take note that we are timing you, okay? For these easy levels, you have 30 seconds to get it right. All right, so 30 seconds.
No.
Those with their hands up, do you have a question or what's going on? What's going on? Tumelo? Tumelo. Okay, there we go. Okay. And hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Let's see who was first. Matlodi. Matlodi is first. Okay, so Matlodi, tell me, how do I answer this one?
Ma'am, this one's we're actually answering this one. The first one. The first one, oh man, this one is a bit hard, but
Yes.
No, ma'am, can I give it to someone else?
Okay, second person was Mutebang. Mutebang, how do you answer this?
I think the first one is the first picture at the first one.
This one. Hello?
Can you send it to someone? I think.
Okay, next one, Mimi. Mimi S, are you there? Tumelo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so first, second, third. Which picture are we using at the bottom?
Ma'am, may I please repeat?
So we're trying to build the fractions on the right, okay? So you're either gonna tell me, do we use the first, second, and third, and how many of them do we use? So you can either say you put the first one, 2 of these, or I use 3 of these ones, and so on. Do you understand?
Mommy,
Yes.
please come
Okay,
here.
so try again.
Yeah, ma'am. The first one is
Yeah, we are.
you put 2, ma'am. Yeah, yeah.
2 of, okay. This one, how many of them?
2.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, and then?
The next one, ma'am, may I ask? Ma'am, the ones on the right, where do we start, on top or at the bottom?
It doesn't matter. So you will say, you put 2 of them and then you tell me where to put this picture. So where does this picture go?
No, ma'am. Yeah, goes on the second one.
Okay, there we go.
The one in the
Correct.
middle is.
Okay.
Ma'am, you put 3, ma'am.
This one.
Yes.
How many?
3.
There's only 2 of them.
Yes. Yeah.
Does anyone else want to try? Joshua, you have your hand up next. Let's hear what you have to say. Okao, please mute. Joshua. Okay, Ariana, you're up. Let's hear. Ariana. Okay, guys, let me help you. Let me help you. I saw in the chat, they say everyone is confused, don't know how to work. So this is what's going on, guys. Look on the right. We all see on the right, okay? So we're going to match the pictures with the numbers that are on the right, okay? So the first number says 3/4. So you're gonna have your little block and you have, this is 1/4, right? You need a second 1/4 and a third one. So this is 3/4, which is the same as that fraction. And that's your first one done. And then you go to your second one. It's 2/3, which is 2/3. Which ones will we use for thirds? It's the first picture because they're divided into 1, 2, 3, and you need 2 of them. So 1, 2, match it in, right? Then the last one is 2 fifths, which is 2 over 5. You check which one is divided into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we use this picture and we need 1, 2 of them. Is everyone feeling better? In the chat? Okay, we're all feeling better now. There we go, there we go. Okay, so now we're going to answer. Now, so who's answering the one that's on the board now? This is a different question. So you first start with the first one, you go to the next, you go to the last one. Okay, let's go. Joshua, do you still want to answer? If you don't want to answer, please lower your hand so that we can see the people who want to answer and call on them. Okay, in the chat, Tugela says they want to answer. Go ahead, unmute yourself. Tugela. Okay, took too long. Matlodi, you're next. Matlodi. Why can't you unmute? Go to the bottom of your screen. There's a button that says unmute.
Sorry, Teacher Kat.
Yes.
It's Marilise here. If a learner wants to answer, you will have to unmute them, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so Tugela was the first. Let me find Tugela and unmute.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who's that? Who's talking?
Ntikelo.
Okay.
It's the third one.
Are you answering the third one now?
No, I'm
Oh, you're using the third. Okay. How many of them?
3.
3. There we go. And then for the next one?
The second one.
The second one. And we need how many?
1.
1. There we go. And then?
The first one.
The first one. And how many do we need?
1.
1. There we go. Well done. Well done. Okay. So I'm hoping everyone got the hang of this game now, right? It's getting a bit harder now, but well done. Okay. Okay. Next. Who's next? Okay, let's see. The first one who said me, please, is Rabetswe. Let's give Rabetswe a chance. Rabetswe.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you?
Well, and you?
I'm good.
Okay, so how do we go about this one?
The first one is a hole. The first one.
So which picture do I use? The first one. Okay. Next.
You use the fifth picture.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
How many do we need?
1.
1. Let's see. Are you sure?
Ish. Let me
Try
see
again.
one.
Try again. How many are these divided into?
Ma'am, I can't see properly.
Can't you see the pictures properly?
Yes, ma'am.
These are divided into 6. Which ones do you want? The ones divided into
5.
5. So it's the 4th picture. How many of them do we need?
1, ma'am.
1. Let's see. There we go. And the last one, which one do I use?
The 3rd picture.
The 3rd picture. How many do we need?
3.
3 of them. Well done. Well done.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, let's move on. Let's see. Okay, Fiona, let's see what you're going to have to do now. Oh, it's getting a little bit lit, right? They're all a half, but you're going to have to use different numbers. Okay, let's go, Fiona. Let me unmute you first. That will help. There we go. Fiona,
Yes, ma'am.
let's go.
I think we have to take the first one.
The first one, how many of them?
1.
1. Okay, so those ones are used up, right? You
Yes.
can't use halves anymore. What's next, Fiona?
We can take the
Which
first
one?
one. The first
The?
one also. The first one.
You can't use the first one. We've used them up. So you're either going to use the 2nd, the 3rd, or the 4th one. Does anyone have any ideas?
I think the 3rd one.
Okay, the 3rd one. How many can we use?
2.
2, right? Because 2 over 4 is the same as a half.
Half.
Well done. Okay, what now? The last one?
We can take the last one.
This one.
Yes.
How many?
3 of them.
Okay, you only have 2 of them. So now what? Any ideas in the chat?
You can go to the 3rd one.
The 3rd one, right? But how many do we need?
We only need 2.
That's out of wait. We need 2 of which ones?
The second one.
2nd one and
2.
that one. Well done, Fiona.
Thank
Okay,
you,
let's
ma'am.
see. Who's next? Who's next? Okay, Langa. My hand is big now. Okay, Langa. You're up next. Let's see. Langa, can your mic work? I can't unmute you. You're gonna answer in the chat. Okay, I'm struggling with unmuting Langa, so we're gonna have to pick someone else. Everyone, lower your hands, lower your hands, lower your hands. Everyone, lower your hands. It's getting a bit harder, isn't it? Okay, still waiting for you guys to lower your hands. Let's see in the chat. Who is Nombulelo? You are the chosen one. Nombulelo, are you there? Okay, let's check Nombulelo. There we go. Are you there, Nombulelo?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we go. Okay, here's yours. Let's go.
Okay. For the first one, ma'am, is the second one.
Is this one?
Yes, ma'am.
One of them.
Yes, ma'am. 1/7.
Okay, well done. For the second one,
It's the first one.
the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
How many do we use?
5/5.
5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Here we go. The last one.
The last one is the third one. 2/8.
Third one. 2 of them. Well done. There we
Thank
go.
you.
Okay, let's see. Let's check whose hand is raised. Let's check whose hands are raised. And we have Kwanda. Kwanda, are you there?
Something I was about to ask, Miss. Can the grade 7s also do this work, Miss?
Yes. Everyone is here to answer, right?
Oh, ma'am, I was just going to ask a question. That's all.
Oh, okay, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Ntokozo, do you want to answer? There we go, Ntokozo.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
There's yours. Okay, let's hear.
The first one is the second one, ma'am.
Okay, the second one. This
Yes.
one. How many
Yes.
of them?
Yeah, ma'am, I can't see clearly, ma'am. No,
Okay,
ma'am, it's
so
the
these
first
are-
one.
Okay, there we go.
The first
the first one, and how many of them?
3/4, ma'am.
3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's see. There we go. Second one.
Second one is the second one, ma'am.
Okay, the second one, how many?
5/8.
5. 5 of them. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now you have to think. How many?
The second one, ma'am.
Second one, are you sure?
Wait. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
1/4.
Is this divided into 4? Check first.
Oh, ma'am, it's the first one.
The first one. One of them, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now what?
All of them.
The ones that are left over.
Yes.
So that's how much? How much did I put on now? What over 8?
1/8.
It's 2, right?
Yes.
If it's 1/4, then it's 2/8. So it's 2, 4, and 5/8. Well done. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
let's see. Who's next? Aluswe. I hope I said your name correctly. Aluswe. Yes, Aluswe. Are you answering, Aluswe? You're unmuted.
Yes.
Oh, okay. There we go. There's yours. Okay, let's hear. First one.
The last one, ma'am.
This one.
No, yeah. The last one.
This one, right?
Yeah.
How many?
Yes. No, Miss, ma'am, I can't see clearly.
There we go. Can you see now?
Yeah.
How
Yes.
many of them?
There are 3.
3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then?
And then the last one,
Again, okay. How many of them?
Miss Kansi. Miss, there are three.
3 of them. Okay. And then?
The first one,
The first one. Okay. And now?
the second one.
How many of them?
There are two.
2 of them. Right. Well done. Who's next?
Thank
Kat?
you.
You're welcome.
Kat?
Yes.
Sorry, can I just make a suggestion? Is
Okay.
there's a lot going on in the chat. What about if you got them to type their answers into the chat and then press send when you tell them to? Just as a suggestion. I don't know if that will
Okay.
work or not.
My only problem is it's going to be such a paragraph because I have to say 3 of the second one and then 2 of the third one. And you understand?
And they're all fighting. They're all fighting for a spot to participate. So that's why I just thought I would suggest that. But up to you.
Okay. So, okay, I think with maybe we should try the hands thing still, because if they're all typing the answers, then yeah, it's gonna be a lot going on in the chat.
Yes.
But yeah, guys, I'm trying to give as many people a chance as possible. That's why I say raise your hand. Once you've answered, we'll lower your hand and we'll give everyone else a chance to answer, okay? So I'll only pick out of the people who've raised their hands. Okay. So let's see who's next. If you've answered once, then I probably won't pick you again. Let's try Naomi. Naomi? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
There we go.
It's
Okay.
Tersha.
Oh, Tesha. Hi, Tesha.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
It's a bit lit now, isn't it? Okay,
Yeah.
let's see. The first one.
Okay, the first one is, am I doing 2/5?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll take oh wow, I'm so nervous, ma'am. Sorry.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Sorry, ma'am. Never mind. Don't choose me, ma'am. I'm just a bit too nervous.
Don't worry, be calm. Just check how many are these divided into.
Oh, ma'am, please don't choose me.
Okay, it's fine, that's fine. Okay, let's choose Octavia. There you go, Octavia.
Hi, ma'am.
Octavia.
Yeah, it's the last one, 2 of them, ma'am.
Okay, 2 of them. Here we go. And now we have what type of fraction do we have?
4/2.
Which is what type of fraction?
So it's gonna be 4 of them.
4 of which ones?
The last one. No, the third one.
Sure. The third, wait, the third one is the last one. It's going to be 4 of, what is 4/2 the same as? Remember, we have proper fractions, improper, mixed numbers. So 4/2 is the same as how many wholes?
4.
No. 4
2?
divided by 2 is how many wholes? Check in the chat. It's 2. Well done, everyone. So 4/2 is the same as 2 wholes. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
There we go. Okay. Keep going, keep going.
There's gonna be 3 of them.
3 of which one? This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And then 3 over 2, we're back to improper fractions. It's 1 whole and
2 halves, I think.
1 whole and a half. Because you have to check how many times this 2 go into 3. It goes in once, and then you have a remainder of 1 over 2. Can you see that?
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's see who's next. Elvis. Elvis, are you there? Elvis.
Hey, yo.
Sisona, please mute. Musa, mute. Elvis, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
There we go. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go.
It's going to be the second one.
Second one, how many?
3.
Are you sure? You're doing 3 over
Yes.
5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many are these divided into? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Are these the ones you want to use?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many of them?
3.
Are you sure? That's
Actually, ma'am, maybe the 4th one.
there we go. This one, the 4th one, the 3rd or 4th
Yes,
one. The 3rd one is divided into 5.
Let's take the 3rd one.
Okay, how many?
3.
3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Over 5 means your little block is divided into 5.
5.
And how many do we use?
2.
2 of them. Let's see. There we go. Okay, we're back to improper fractions. So how many do we use here?
We use the last one.
The last one, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any help in the chat? How many times does 4 go into 7? How many holes can you make?
Holes, ma'am.
Yes, a whole picture, a whole shape. So you can have how many holes? How many times does 4 go into 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Goes in once. Okay.
Yes.
So you have 1 whole, and then how much is left out of 4? You take out 4 from 7. How much is left? What's 7 minus 4?
If what, ma'am?
If you take out 4 from 7.
4
how
from
much
7.
Yes.
3.
There we go. So we're left with 3 over 4. So let's try to make 3 over 4 in this block here. So that's 1, 2, and you use 2 of these to make 3. Oh, not there, there. There we go. Okay, let's do the last one together. 3 over 2.
Yes, ma'am.
How many holes?
One whole.
One
Actually,
whole.
two. Yeah.
One whole, right? Two can go into three
Yes, ma'am.
once. One
Yes, ma'am.
whole. And then how much is left after you do that?
4.
No, 3 minus 2 is?
1.
So 1 over 2, which is a half, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice try, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
There we go. Okay, so I think we should try a different game. What do you guys think? Think we should go to a different game? Okay, everyone, some people say yes, some people say no. We're gonna go to a different game just now. How's everyone feeling so far? In the chat quickly, how's everyone feeling? Let's see, good. So you all
And there are a few
understand?
people who've said their hands have been up forever.
Yeah, guys, unfortunately, there's so many of you.
Sisekelo. Try Sisekelo next.
Okay, Sisegelo, you are first in the next game, okay? You feel good, okay? Let's see. I feel
Yes,
pretty.
most people are feeling good.
Okay, let's try the different game. Let's see, maybe you guys
And
will
then-
like the second one better.
Okay, so try Sisekelo and then Boka as well, please.
Okay, Sisegelo and?
Boka, B-O-K-A.
Okay. All right. So, can you guys see my new screen? Okay, so we're in a new game. So this one is fractions still, but this time we'll be matching the numbers with pictures, okay? It is possible for you to match a picture with a picture, right? For equivalent fractions, because 2 over 4, for instance, is the same as 1 over 2. Or 3 over 3, which is a whole, is the same as 10 over 10. So this time when you raise your hand, you'll be matching fractions. So let me do one for you and show you. Okay, for instance, 1 over 1 is a whole, right? And it's the same as that. So then we check and it's correct and we've matched them. Right. And then, okay, let's see what's next. A half, 1 over 2 is the same as 1 over 2, check, correct. Okay, a quarter for here, same as this quarter, and we're done. A third is the same as a third, we're done. And 3/4, the same as 3/4 in numbers, done. And 2/3, the same as 2/3, and we're done. Okay. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so Sisegelo, are we ready?
Can you move it a little bit to the left, Kat?
Move, what am I can't move.
Anna, can
the
you move your screen? You can't move your screen at all?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
What
That's fine.
happened?
And then,
What?
so Sisekelo and then Boka and then Devon.
And then, okay, please keep track of
Okay.
that list for me, please.
Okay, I'm making a list, okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Sisegelo, are you ready? Where's Sisegelo? Do I have to unmute her? Yes. There she is. There we go. He or she, sorry. Sisegelo. Sisegelo's not responding.
Okay, so Sisekelo's not responding, so go for Boka.
Okay, Boka. Boka. Okay, I can't even find Boca to unmute.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Try
Oh,
Devin.
who's that? Who was that Boca or Sisegelo? No?
Booker says ready in the chat.
Oh, okay. Boca, let's go.
Ma'am.
Wait, Sisegelo. Boca, please unmute. You can't.
So,
let me
Teacher
see.
Kat, you have to unmute them. They can't unmute themselves at the moment. You have to unmute them.
There we go. Boca, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
There we go. Okay, let's go. Yes.
2 6 is the same as the one on the bottom left.
Bottom left, this one.
Yes.
Well done, okay? And
3/4 is the same as the second last first row.
this one.
Yes.
Well done. Okay, Boca, I think we're going to give other people a chance. Well done, okay?
Give Devin a chance, please.
Okay, Devin. Let's see. Hold on, Devin. There we go. Devin?
The bottom right.
Bottom right, this one.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
With the fourth one in the second row.
1, 2, fourth one. Well done. Okay. Another one.
The fifth one in the second row with the third one in the second row.
In the first row, you mean? Oh, the third one in the second row. 1, 2, 3. This one.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Well done. Okay. Who's next?
It's TR2.
TR2.
TR2 and then Nombolelo.
Okay. Let me see. TR2. There we go. TR2, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, ma'am.
There we go. Let's try.
Ma'am, the first row by the corner is equal to the no, ma'am, by the corner, ma'am. Far right. Yes, ma'am.
Unfortunately not. Let's try again. Try again.
Ma'am, the first one is the equal to the second row.
Mm-hmm. This one.
Yes. And after, ma'am, you put the corner, the far right one next to it.
Are you sure? Let's check. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a half, right? 3 over 6. And this one is also 1, 2, 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they both a half.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
And then the last one. It's 1 over 3, which is the same as 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
2, 3,
6.
4.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 over 6 and 1 over 3 are same. Well done, everyone. Okay. Let's go to level 3. Who's next?
Okay, take Nelly.
Okay, Nelly. Let's find Nelly quickly. Okay, Nelly, there we go. Nelly, you ready? Nelly, I just
Hi, ma'am.
unmuted Nelly. There we go. Okay, let's go.
Ma'am, I think the upper row, ma'am.
Mhm.
The first, ma'am.
This
That
one.
no, ma'am.
Okay, say again. Guys, please unmute. Sisagelo, please mute. Thank you. Okay, you were saying first row. Which one?
That one, ma'am.
Okay, the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which one does it go with?
Ma'am, 4/6.
4/6. Let's check. Well done. Okay, try another one.
Ma'am, ma'am, I can't see properly.
What can't you see?
Ma'am,
Should
the
we try
fraction.
someone else?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay.
Try
Who's next?
Nombulelo. Nombulelo.
Okay, Nombulelo.
Yeah.
Let me first find Nombulelo. Sure, there's a lot of you guys here. There we go. Nombulelo, are you ready? There we go. Okay, let's hear.
Okay. 4/3, ma'am. I think it's the one next to 6/8.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
I think.
There we go.
Oh.
Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
You want to try another one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Wait. 6/8, ma'am.
6/8.
I think it's the one under 4/5.
The one under 4/, which one is it? First or second row?
Second row, ma'am.
First one, second one, which one?
Second.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. Try again.
The last one in the second row, ma'am.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? It's 6/8, an improper fraction. Because remember, this one is an improper fraction, right?
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
one whole plus a fraction. So is this an improper fraction?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so it cannot have a whole.
The first
Try
one in the
again.
second row, ma'am.
There we go. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, who's next?
Why don't you try Mahlodi?
Mahlodi.
Peace out.
Mahlodi.
Okay, Mahlodi.
Mahlodi.
Go ahead.
And then Taylor.
Okay, ma'am. What I think the one that is at the bottom right corner.
This one.
Yes. Is
Okay.
the same as the bottom, but the second one.
This one.
The second one.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Well done. Okay, you want to try another one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Who's next?
Okay, try Radida.
Okay, Radida. There we go. Radida, are you ready?
Hello.
Hello.
It's the green circle. It's
The green circle. And the, I think she said blue.
And the blue square. Oh,
There we go. Well done. And then obviously the last two are a match. Okay, we're going on to the next level. Who's next?
Try Sisekelo now.
Okay, Sisekelo. Remember to mute, guys. Okay, Sisekelo. There we go. Okay, let's hear. Sisekelo.
If Sisekelo doesn't answer, then try Naomi.
All right.
Naomi.
Naomi, aka Tisha. Let me unmute you. Hold on. There we go. Naomi?
Yeah, so ma'am, you should start with the one that is on the, well, it's hard. Let me just count the blocks, ma'am.
First or second row?
The first row.
Mm-hmm.
The third one. The
This
third
one.
one on the first row, I think, and the, no ma'am, sorry, can you do the second row? The third second row, and the second row, but the last one.
There you go. 2 holes, right?
Yeah.
Well done. Do you want to try another one?
No, because there's a lot of people who want to get turns. I wouldn't want to be.
Okay, so try the person who can go next is called Web 10111. Web 10111.
Okay, there we go. Web 10111, you have been unmuted. Hello.
Need a Zoom call.
Hi, ma'am. There we go. Asanda, please mute. Okay. Web, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go for it.
For the first one,
Mm-hmm.
I think it's the third one.
Okay, first or second row?
First row.
First row, which one? The third one?
Yes.
With?
The fourth one in the first row.
This one?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, remember this one has a hole.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so this is an improper fraction. So look for one that is more than a whole.
Oh, ma'am, it's the fifth one in the first row.
In this one. Are you
Yes.
sure?
Without
Does this have more than a hole?
No.
Yes, so it can't be the same, right? Check on the second row. That's where we have more than a hole. So it's either this one because it has 1 and a bit, or it's this one because it's also an improper fraction. So do you think it's this one, the first one, or the fifth one?
I think it's the first one.
The first one. Well done.
Yay.
Okay, who's next?
Tyler Sadie.
Okay. Sadie. There you go. Sadie, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go.
The fourth one.
On which row?
The first row.
So this one.
Yes.
Who's this?
And the one before that.
This one.
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
Try again.
Okay.
Try again. Remember to think of equivalent fractions, right?
Yes.
8 over 18 is the same as 4 over 9. So how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And
Yes.
4 of them are colored in. See? So
Yes,
try your own one. Try your own one. Okay, should we try someone else?
Direct message.
Okay, let's try someone else. Who's next?
Try Sister Kelo now.
Okay. Sisegelo? Sisegelo?
Okay, if Sister Kelo is not answering, what about iPhone?
Okay, let's try iPhone.
Try iPhone.
And iPhone. Here we go. iPhone, are you there?
Hello?
Yes. Go for it.
I think put the second one in the first row.
Mm-hmm.
And the second one in the second row.
Wait, oh, do you mean these two?
Yeah,
like
those two.
This and that one.
Yeah.
Well done. Do you want to try another one?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, who's next? Okay, we're trying the last one, guys. Our time is ready, almost over. Last person.
Okay, Insekelo. Insekelo. Insekelo.
Okay. There we go. Insekelo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Who's not muted? Vitebo? There we go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Go for it.
The second one on the last row.
This one.
This other, yeah. And the second one on the second row.
So this one.
Yes.
Well done. Okay. So guys, that is our time up. Okay. I will see you guys on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we'll be playing bingo. So if you want to add, subtract, multiply, fractions, that's what we'll be doing on Wednesday. Okay. So I'm signing off. Teacher Lee and I are signing off. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys will go and check out the website. Okay, so if you guys want to do these exercises without me, then you can. You just go on a website called Fed Simulations. I'm going to type it in the chat for you guys. I'm going to stop you guys from chatting for a minute.
Was interesting.
There we go. So you go on Google and you Google that website and you will do those alone. Okay?
Please mute.
But for now, goodbye, guys. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Thank you for the day.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Goodbye.
It was interesting, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.